man Junior from What My Teacher Wears. Check in back in with my YouTube family. What's good? Again, I hope each and every last one of you are staying safe and staying very, very clean and protected as we go through this COVID-19 pandemic right now. We're first going to start off again, guys, what I would have wanted to work. This is a new web series that I'm starting over this break to still give you guys, provide you guys with some type of valuable content. So, enough of me talking. Let's get straight into the look. So this is a Tuesday. This would be a Tuesday, a normal Tuesday for me. And normally on Tuesdays, I still try to keep it buttoned up, still try to maintain my blazer look. If those who do not follow me on Instagram, you better be following me right now. I actually posted a few photos of me in this actual blazer a few weeks ago. I really love this blazer, and I'm really transitioning it from wearing it in the winter to wearing it in the spring. So stay tuned on how I'm going to actually style this. But I went with just a normal blue shirt and a navy blue knit tie. I really thought I would like the look. And again, for a little foreshadowing, I thought I would have liked the look, but I don't know if it's too many blues that just don't really appeal to my eye, but I'm just not feeling the look per se. But I do like the pinstripe with the blazer. I do like that look. That was a look that I didn't initially, again, if you look at this photo right here, I didn't know if I could pull this look off, but I definitely do like the pinstripe look with this blazer, but I'm not feeling the blue dress shirt, the blue cuff dress shirt underneath. I'm not really feeling that look, although I thought I would. This is not, in my perception, in my opinion, this is not drip at all. This is not drip at all. I'm just not really just feeling it, y'all. I'm not feeling it. That's how I am sometimes when I wake up in the morning. Although I might think I have a dope look together, it's not really together. So what I did was I said, let me exchange the shirts. I didn't want to go with a all white plain shirt, but I did want to lighten it up a little bit with a white shirt. So what I did was I took the blue shirt off and I actually put a white stripe, almost like just a striped shirt, straight up and down shirt on. I changed it from a knit tie to actually just a navy tie. And with this navy tie, it's a navy silk tie. This is a Tommy Hilfiger tie that I actually got from, I got this tie, if I'm not mistaken, I got it from either Burlington or I either got it from the Goodwill. I cannot remember off the top of my head, and I do not want to lie to you guys. But you all know, if you saw my video a few weeks ago, that I did pick this blazer up from the Goodwill as one of my Goodwill hauls for the month. I accented it, guys. I kept the same watch I had on yesterday. I really love the Apple Watch, and my wife actually got me this dope band. It's like a Rolex band that I really like. As you see, I got it on kind of like right now. I really like this band. She had gotten tired of me wearing the same band kind of over and over. She said, you need to, how can you call yourself dripping throughout the day, but then look at your timepiece? So she kind of got onto me about that timepiece, but I really love the way this look ultimately came out to be. I love just a plain white pocket square, and that plain white pocket square did enough. You don't want to do too much when it comes to pocket square and actual blazer, because you don't want to be contract. You don't want that. You don't want that. You don't want to be too busy to where it takes away from that statement piece. Like I always said, I always try to center my things around. But enough of me running my mouth, guys. Enough of me running my mouth. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do that right now. Hit that bell notification after you do it. And then if you like this video, hit that like button. Also, let your boy know which fit that you ultimately like the most. Was it the blue shirt, which is one I didn't, really like, or was it with the white pinstripe? Was that shirt one that you found the best looking? Enough is enough. I will see you guys tomorrow. Getting Dressed with Me Wednesday.